The other big theme, of course, of this quarter is that you and your peers are moving to reserve releases instead of reserve builds. How confident are you that the worst is now behind us in terms of the economic cycle related to the pandemic?
Well, the good news is, we start from a real position of strength, and the capital and liquidity levels that we have are significant. We have significant excess capital to sort of really deal with just about anything that may come up, as we sort of look forward. But what's true is the underlying performance of the credit portfolios and the loan portfolios has just been much better than any of us could have predicted, just even 90 days ago, let alone at sort of the depths of the crisis from earlier in the year. And so as we sort of look forward, we're hopeful that the base case scenario where we start to see acceleration of growth in the second half of the year plays out. And if that's the case, we feel very well reserved and potentially a little conservative if the base case plays out going forward.
There was so much optimism, Michael, around your stock and your company as the catch-up trade because of the underperformance last year, which is why I think the revenue number was so disappointing today. And especially that statement from Charlie Scharf, obviously blaming the operating environment, but also, quote, legacy issues still plaguing the business. I feel like every quarter we ask you about this. It's been 4 years now since the fake account scandal. And how much more pain do you see as a result of what happened?
Yeah, no, I appreciate the question, Sarah. And look, our agenda is clear. First was, really making sure the management team was in place. And as we said, sort of largely, in place now, as Charlie mentioned. We're very much focused on getting the risk and control, agenda solved and behind us, along with it, those legacy issues. And then really focused on bringing clarity to where we're investing and where we want the strategic direction of the company to be. And we sort of walked through a bunch of that, this morning. And a big piece of that is the efficiency agenda that we talked about, and really driving, efficiency and into just about everything we do across the company, which will, help us save money, but also really be an improvement in how we deliver, our services to the many.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.